Have you ever wanted to learn how to get onto red carpets, to mingle, network, connect, and showcase your talents with like-minded people? My name is Miriam. I've been into media and online radio for the past 10 years, mentored by industry professionals, and blessed to be connected with so many talented professional leaders. Let me show you how you can get connected and learn how to get your talents in front of the right people and connections. Just click the link below for more information.
Jeremy, you're listening to Mary.
I'm here with Claudia from Back to the Future. She was the girlfriend, guys.
What's up, guys? I love for beauty here, and today I'm coming at you with another nail tutorial. So we're gonna do a full set, and today I want to do this orange and white color. So again, I'm using regular nail polish, and I'm going over it with the Top Base Coat by Beetles, and that's a gel nail polish. So I'm gonna go in with a regular nail polish dryer, and then I'm gonna go in with my UV light, my flashlight, and my mini lamp light. Alright, so let me start off by buffing all of the nails, and we have 10 of them on my practice stand. As you see here, so I'm going to go in one by one, and I'm going to start off with the the middle finger here, and I'm going to paint it white because I want the middle finger to stand out as the one with all the glitter on top. And it's going to be the sparkly one. So I'm going to go in with the rest of the nails are going to be this bright neon orange. I love this color. I actually got these polishes by this company. Let me see what the company's name is. Polishes here. Okay, so the company's name is Salon Perfect, and they have a bunch of neon pop colors, and then this is their neon orange pop. I love it. It's so pretty, and it just like pops out. So I'm drying it here with my little fan that I got on Amazon. You can use this for your eyelashes too, FYI. Alright, so here we go with the nails. I'm going to go in with the second layer and repeat the process on all 5 nails so that it gets that thick glossy coat of orange and white as well. So now I'm going in with the Beetles Top Gel on the white nail here. Remove the nail, and I'm going to dip it in some iridescent white powder dust. As you see here, I love this sparkly dust. It just pops. It makes the nails pop. And this is how they're looking. Alrighty, and I did 2 sets here. I did the other one off camera, so I didn't want a full nail tutorial video. It takes forever. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to go in with my live stream from last night. What's up, guys? So I had to show you these 3 swatches I did on live. I just jumped off of a live stream right now. I started doing live because I'm bored and it's fun to go on live. And I was doing a video on how to do these polygel. I did polygel swatches, and I used the polygels by this brand called Mowbray, and I did the coffee, and I did the milk bath, which is this one here. And I actually did the nails, and look how cute they are. They look like acrylic nails. I did 2 of them. Actually, I did one live, and then I got off and did this one. So what you do is you use these things called nail formers that look like this, and you place them on the nail. First, you get the poly gel, and you squeeze it on here, press it down, blend it out, and then you put it on here and cure your nail with the UV light, and then you take these 2 little things and lift the nail off, and then you have a full nail that's strictly made from polygels, which is straight polygel. It's not acrylic nail at all, which is really cool. So I think I'm going to finish doing the rest off camera, and my hands will be done. Full set of polygels, which is really cool. I just wanted to share that. But anyway, it's getting late, so I will see you guys on the next day because it's like 11:30 at night, and I'm tired. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. I don't know.
It
what
says you're 30 here. Did
How
you
you
lie
know how
about
old
your
I
age?
am? You never ask a woman their age. FYI. Because they're not going to tell you the truth. Especially when they're a woman.
You don't like money romantic?
Okay, so anyway, So, look, this is how they look. Now we're gonna put a coat of top coat on here. We're gonna put some top
tell
coat.
me your number.
People
trying to get at you up on this app.
I'm not on here to hook up. I'm on here to make friends.
Sleazy Saucy. Are you a dude?
Both of you ladies are sexy. God bless you. Oh my God.
Thanks.
Hey, that's her mom and daughter.
Wait, that's your mom? Yeah, that's
Yes.
my mom. I'm not the mom. I'm
So,
a mom. But I'm not.
Yeah.
They from Montgomery,
mommy,
Alabama.
daughter.
Montgomery.
I'm Miriam. That's Kayla. Mom and daughter. We look
But
like
yeah,
sisters, I know.
Sure.
You haven't
I'm
seen us
back,
when we
baby.
really look like sisters.
Oh my god, I thought they were sisters.
I thought y'all were sisters.
Yo, sir,
Thanks.
MF Bunky B, bro. You was hollering at the mama the whole time, bro.
Where'd
You
you
don't want
come
to get
up
in the
with the
beam.
name? I love that name.